How to fix Marvel Rivals stuck at loading. This is the most common issue that many people are facing before entering the game. The loading screen wastes about 1 to 2 minutes of the initial gameplay. Now, to fix this issue, the only solution is to move your game file from your hard drive to your SSD. Now, keep in mind, if you have moved the file from your hard drive to SSD, it is not only going to give you a faster loading time, it is also going to fix most of your problems. So head over to your Steam, then you need to make sure to locate your game file. Once you have located, simply go for your Marvel Rivals and copy, and then go for your SSD and simply paste the file. Just to demonstrate, let me just show you what I mean. If I close the game and go for my Steam, this is the most important part. If you start playing the game from Steam, and initially if you have downloaded the game into your hard drive, this is going to take much more time. Again, it is not going to solve the issue. Now let's just compare how much time it will take if from Steam I have downloaded the game in the hard drive. Even after 2 minutes it's still loading the shaders, so let's simply close this. And this is the main point that you have to keep in mind. Once you have transferred the game into your SSD, you need to simply launch the game every time from your SSD, otherwise it is going to give you the same loading issue. Now if I open up the launcher from the SSD, let's see how much time it will take. So as you can see, it is now much faster, and around 5 to 10 seconds is already started the game.